I know right now you are patiently waiting for Hamster Kombat to launch its Tekken on July as people claimed. Well, that is newsflash. Listen, Hamster Kombat is not launching anytime soon. Yes, I have enough evidence to prove my point. So without wasting much of your time, let's head over to Telegram right now. But before then, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. So guys, let's go there. So on the 27th of this month, June, Hamster Kombat made a post on their official announcement channel. They said, Hamster Kombat in 17 languages. Important news, we have updated the list of local YouTube channels. We are launching local channels that will feature lots of content and humor that will relate specifically to your region. The main global, that is their official channel, right? The main global channel will delight you with exclusive content. Now you have the opportunity to subscribe on a channel where your videos are released in your own language. Now guys, this is where my point comes in. Yes, this is where my point comes in. You can see a list of available languages. They have English, Arabic, and the rest of them. Now guys, this is something I want you guys to understand. I will be starting with the very first channel there. You know, all these names you are seeing here, the link to their YouTube channel is here. So I start with the English. Let's go. Alright, so you can see Hamster Kombat English. Now if you observe, if I'm not mistaken, Hamster Kombat was introduced around that March, April. I guess I am correct. And if you observe this channel, they have only but one video, right? Now observe this. Let's go to the history of this channel. Let's go to the about section. Now observe this channel right now. I scroll down to the bottom. You can see this channel was launched on YouTube on the 11th day of September 2023. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Let me show you another one. Just stay with me to the end of this video. Now let's click on Arabic. Right, this is Arabic channel, 81.6k subscribers with one video also. Now let's go to the about section again. So you can see this channel was launched on this platform on the 24th day of May 2022. Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? See, don't forget, I have enough points. I have enough points to list once I'm done showing you this. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video. Don't leave. We go back to Telegram again. I might not really open all these channels, but there are just few things I want you to take note of before I continue with what I have to say about Hamster Kombat. So I open again Hindi. This particular one has 38.2k subscribers with one video. Now let's go to the about section. And boom, this channel joined YouTube on the 1st October 2020. Guys, this is a project that started this year, 2024. I don't know if you are thinking what I'm thinking. Well, let me still reserve my point. There is a particular channel I want to show you. So once I click on that particular channel, I'll go back to the point I have today. Let's go back to Telegram again. Well, alright, so this one is Hamster Kombat Italian. Let's go to the about section. Don't forget, this channel has only but one video. I scroll down, boom, and behold, this is 2019 channel. Now let's hit the point. Alright guys, so this is one thing I want you guys to understand, just in case you are putting this project in the back of your mind that it will be launched next month, like a lot of channels claim. I have seen many videos from different channels claiming that Hamster Kombat is launching next month. Lie. Now this is the point here. Hamster Kombat official channel, they have 30 point something million subscribers as I'm talking to you right now, and their Telegram channel is, I can't really tell you, I have not checked that as I'm recording this video, and their official X account, formerly known as Twitter, is choke. Now this is why Hamster Kombat will never think of launching its token anytime soon. Point number one, they are still using you to make their money on Twitter. Do you know how many impressions these guys are making per day? And do you know how much they are being paid for those impressions? That is point number one. And point number two, their official YouTube channel, they are making millions of views on daily basis. If you do observe, if they post video, the next thing, boom, they will send it to the Hamster Kombat tax tab, so that you go there, view, and they give you about 100 coins. Yes, about 100 coins. So I'm even wondering if these coins have even worth anything. Yes, if the coins even worth anything. That is my point number one. They will never launch anytime soon, in the sense they are still using you to collect enough money on their platform, their social media platform. All right, so now know this: if they eventually launch Hamster Kombat today, believe me, you will stop following them up. Right? I guess I am right. You will stop following them up. You will stop clicking on their channel. In fact, those things, you will not find anything interesting about this again. That is reality. You don't have to argue with me here. Now back to point number two. Now point number two. If you observe these channels, I click on these channels, and you saw the date these channels was created, or this channel were created. And why are they doing this? Like, why are they bringing these channels up? Now let me clarify you here. Those channels are old channels owned by a group of people, right? And those guys, the people that owns that channel, just paid Hamster Kombat, so they had to delete or unlist all the old videos on those channels. Now change the names to anything related to Hamster Kombat. Click and put the link here for you to go there, subscribe, build the channel. So right here, without any fear, I want to say this: Hamster Kombat are using us to make their money. Number one. Number two, Hamster Kombat are using us to grow their social media handles. That is the point, and nobody should argue me. Yes. So just in case you are there thinking that Hamster Kombat will be launched next month or anytime soon, you are joking, because you will have to build those channels. You see these new channels, you will have to build this channel for them to a certain level of subscribers they need before they will even think of launching this token. I don't know if I have made a point in this video. Well, that is my own opinion. I don't know for you. If there is anything you have, or if you have your own opinion, you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section. This is my own opinion. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I post video here on daily basis, so you don't have to miss any of my updates. Thank you guys.